watching WBZ News.
Officials just gave us an update on the mall shooting in Texas, saying the gunman chose his victims at random. Now, authorities say the gunman had no prior criminal record, but had, quote, neo-Nazi ideation. 8 people died in that attack, among them 3 members of one family, parents, and their 3-year-old son. And 2 sisters aged 8 and 11. Their mother was wounded and is in critical condition. Officials say police shot and killed the shooter within 4 minutes of the first calls for help. Now, these mass shootings are sadly becoming part of our everyday life in the United States, with more than 200 already this year.
But we don't have many here in New England. And tonight, WBZ's Brandon Truitt takes a closer look at why.
The mass shootings that we hear about on the news are just the tip of the iceberg of gun violence in the U.S.
Jonathan Jay is a professor at Boston University's School of Public Health, focusing on its intersection with gun violence. Data from the CDC says firearms are the leading cause of death for children and teens in the U.S.
So anytime you see that level of mortality and injuries and the burden of trauma, you are looking at a public health crisis.
Take this map from the CDC. The darker the state, the more gun deaths that year. We'll start in 2005, but jump 10 years and notice the change. Add just 3 years later to 2018, a stark difference that only gets worse by 2021.
But it's also traumatizing for the communities where shootings happen way too frequently.
Massachusetts has the lowest amount of gun-related deaths per capita in the country. The CDC says 3.5 people out of every 100,000 here die due to injuries from guns. Other New England states follow closely with some of the lowest gun-related deaths in the country. Vermont and Maine edge just a bit higher. Compare that to the other end of the list. The CDC says these 5 states had the most gun-related deaths per capita, with Mississippi having 10 times the number per capita as Massachusetts. Jay says despite the Commonwealth standing, we have some of the largest disparities in black and white firearm deaths in the country.
It shows us that Massachusetts has a lot of resources and a good starting place, but we need to do more to reduce those inequities.
40% of Americans say they live in a house with a gun. Personal protection tops the reasons why. About half of the U.S. says they believe gun violence is a very big problem, but they rank it behind the affordability of health care, the federal budget deficit, and illegal immigration.
Is it too big of a problem to solve? Can it be solved?
It's not too big of a problem to solve. We have a range of solutions. Some of them have to do with law and policy, but a lot of them are at the community level.
A growing problem impacting communities across the country. In Boston, Brandon Truitt, WBZ News.